Today, I'll demonstrate to you a website that will assist you in producing a steady stream of cash. This website, combined with my free suggestions and strategies, will constantly assist you in earning a fair living. It appears to be so straightforward, doesn't it? You only need to follow these easy 1, 2, 3 steps. And don't worry, you won't have to spend any money on these applications. You won't need any technological skills, presence on social media or interaction, or marketing efforts. All you have to do is follow these instructions that I'll show you on how to properly set up the strategy. I would like you to continue watching this tutorial until the conclusion of this video so you can understand some navigation techniques and PayPal money-making tactics to optimize your potential earnings while doing little to no labor. So stay with me until the conclusion. Furthermore, the website registration procedure is rather difficult, so you may become lost and frustrated, which is why it's critical to have yours truly help you through the process. For you to get paid, log in to your PayPal account, and if you don't have it yet, I will teach you how to create a free PayPal account. Simply click the sign up button right here to be taken to this web page where you may sign up for a free PayPal account. Choose a personal account and then click the next button to complete out a very simple form to sign up for a free PayPal account. Once you've set up your free PayPal account, you can now begin receiving money into your PayPal account. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. To get started, let's go and visit utest.com, where we'll generate the most money. What we're going to do here is to write reviews or evaluations for some specific software in order to help them improve their freshly launched product. This website's homepage will be seen there. You'll discover maybe hundreds, if not thousands of software applications to evaluate once you arrive. And don't worry, you won't even need unique technical abilities to get qualified and make evaluations for them. With the support of Capterra, this technology essentially makes it easier for developers to find key problems in their works. This platform offers services that can rapidly and cheaply indicate what problems or defects need to be repaired before republishing their product. We will earn money by assessing and testing software applications, which is the website's goal. Don't worry, you don't need any technical knowledge to do this task, so don't be discouraged. The major reason we offered this website is that there is such an easy way for us to make PayPal money. You merely need to test different applications to confirm that this website is genuine. So let's get started with the registration process. Back to the website, utest.com is the home of the world's biggest digital freelancing software tester organization. Utest has now become the go-to place for individuals who appreciate digital reliability and quality and are enthusiastic about user experience and are interested to know about cutting-edge innovation. Whether they are looking to improve their testing skills in our institute, find a testing task to complete on for money, or communicate with testing professionals in the global community. If you are enjoying this video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you are from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. When firms such as Uber need to guarantee that a new feature is ready before releasing it to the public, they utilize U-testers to confirm that it functions, appears, and operates as planned. Their customers rely on your comments to guarantee that their goods meet the high expectations of their consumers and offer the service that they claim. Furthermore, testers are paid monthly by PayPal or Payoneer, whatever options are most suitable for you. Additionally, if you want to learn more about this website, scroll down and review their features. If you have any more questions regarding the website, you can also visit the FAQ section by clicking on the About Us button right here. Again, don't be overwhelmed by the idea of rating specific websites because it will be as incredibly easy. Next, let's select on this Projects button and see all of the projects that you may review after signing up for the website. Of course, before I miss, you may use this approach with whatever device you possess, whether that's a computer, a smartphone, such as Android or iPhone, or even a laptop, since this approach will work for you no matter what device you will use and also available wherever you are in the globe. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Provided you've previously explored the site and read all of the relevant information, we'll now sign up for this website. You may do so by pressing this button over here, which will take you to this page, where you will enter all of the information required to properly process your account. Provide them your first and last names, location, the devices you'll be utilizing for the tests, and the final step in the registration process, which is to create your own password. Additionally, I'd like to inform you to submit your own personal email address, since they will provide you a confirmation mail to verify that you are a genuine person and not a robot trying to sign up on their website. After registering, you'll be given your personal dashboard, where you'll need to keep up with what's going on and prevent being confused on the U-Test. To begin, navigate to the middle of your dashboard and select the option to configure your payment option. A page will open, inviting you to choose your preferred mode of payment. That is why it is critical that you have already owned a PayPal account so you don't get confused about the payment option to use at this portion of the process. The button projects may be found on the dashboard's left side. Click on it to see all of the projects you may evaluate and generate money from it. That's all there is to it. All you have to do now is keep evaluating this program in order to make regular income. Ultimately, if you put up some more work than all others, you will be compensated more. To summarize the video, this website is an excellent option for everyone to earn PayPal money. All you must do is be fully honest in your evaluations of any job you come across. That's the end of it. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!